Yes, hi all, welcome to Shivagana Aptitude classes. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain the solutions of the aptitude questions which are asked in TCS Nqt 2022 batch. The date of examination is 29/2021. The morning slot, that is 9 to 12 noon. The morning slot, which means a very recent paper that I'm explaining. Just half an hour before this exam is over, the solutions. The main objective of preparing this video is definitely useful for the upcoming slots students. Upcoming slots, the students who are going to write the exam in the next slots or the day after next, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the similar questions or the same question or the exact questions may appear. There is a chances. Here we go, the first question. Yeah, 27 can be written as a 3 cube, 3 power x plus 2. 8 even can be written as a 3 power 4, 2x minus 6. So equating the powers, so 3x plus 6 is equal to 8x minus 24. So 8x minus 3x, 5x is equal to, so 30, x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, 3x minus 5, 3 6 are 18 minus 5, 13. Very simple question. Next, in an examination, 62% are passed in physics, right? So let us say this is a physics. How many are passed? 62%. And 60% passed in mathematics. 60% passed in mathematics. 60% passed in mathematics. 37% passed in both the subjects. 37% passed in both the subjects. So 62 minus 37, which is nothing but 25%, only physics. 60 minus 37, which is nothing but 23, which is only max passed. So then how many students, what percent of the students, what percent in both the subjects, what percent of the students failed, sorry, what percent of the students failed in both the subjects? That is what the question. What percent of the students failed in both the subjects? So only physics passed is 25. So only max passed is 23. Both the passed is 37. So overall passing is 85%. 85%. 85%. Which means 15% are failed. 15% are failed. That's the answer for this question. 15% are failed. 25% of x is 25% of x. So 25% of x to 65% of y to 75% of z in the ratio of 5 is to 26 is to 15. So 1/16 of their sum is equal to 10. Then what is the value of x minus 2y plus z? Let us see from this. 25% of x is 5. So definitely 100% of x is how much? 5 4s are 20. So x is equal to 20. 25% of x is nothing but 5. Therefore 100% of x is nothing but 20. Next, 65% of y is equal to 26. So 100% of y is equal to simply what? Simply 26 into 100 divided by 65. Divided by 65. Right? Which is nothing but 40. Nothing but 40. That is the y value. 75% of z is 15. Then 100% of z is simply nothing but 15 into 100 divided by 20, 75. 25 3s, 25 4s, 3 5s. 5 4s are 20. So z is equal to 20 we got. Directly substitute in this. X is how much? 20 minus 2y. 2 40s are 80 plus 3z. 3 into 20 is 60. So 20 minus 20, 0. Answer is 0. Answer for this question is 0. The saving of Sureka are equal to 40% of the savings of Sureka equal to 40% of our expenditure. If our income is increased by 20% and the expenditure increases by 40, our saving is, so Sureka 40% of our expenditure. For example, expenditure is 100, then saving is how much? 40% of 100 is 40, which means income is nothing but expenditure plus saving, which is nothing but how much? 100 plus 40, 140. This is initial. If our income is increased by 20%, now this is increased by 20%, which means new income is 140 plus 20% of 140. 14, 14, 10% is 14, 20% is 28. 140 plus 28. New income is 168. And expenditure increases by 40. This expenditure is increases by 40. So new expenditure is 100 plus 40% of 100 is 40, which is nothing but a 40, 140. This is new expenditure. New expenditure, new income. Therefore, new saving is equal to 168 minus 140, which is nothing but 28. So initial saving is 40. Now the saving is 28. Initial saving is 40. Now the saving is 28. So saving is decreased by how much percent? 40 minus 28. 40 minus 28 is 12 divided by initial is 40 into 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 4 3s 3 tens 30%. So savings decreased by 30%. Next question. Out of 80% of the students, 45% of the students in passed in maths. So mathematics passed is 45% of 80. That is nothing but 36. This is passed. 45% of 80. Next, coming to English, out of 80%, sorry, this is 80 students and not 80%, 80 students. Next, 60% of the students passed in English. What is 60% of 80? 6 8s are 48. 48 passed in what? English. 48 passed in English. 35% failed in both, right? Mathematics and English. How much? 35% failed. What is 35% of 80? 24 plus 4, 28. 28 failed in both. This is what is given. This is what is given, right? Okay, fine. How many students passed in both the subjects? How many students passed in both the subjects? Okay. Total 80. 28 failed in both the subjects. This is 28 failed in both the subjects. 80 minus 28, 52. So 52 students passed in 52 students passed in any one or both. 52 students passed in any one or both. So 36 passed in maths, 48 passed in English. 36 plus 48 is how much? 84. 84 passed. 84, right? Now 84 minus this 52, which will give, so how much? 32. So this 32 passed in both the subjects. 32 passed in both the subjects, right? 32 passed in both the subjects, which means this is the Venn diagram for your better understanding. So 32 passed in both the subjects. This is 36. This is 48. 48. Right? Anyway, the answer for this question is 32. Okay, next one. By which of the following is 19541742 is divisible? 19541742 is divisible, right? First I am checking option 1. Option 1 is 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of the alternatives, right? First 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. So 22 minus, now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 22 minus 11 is 11. 11 divisible by 11. So this is divisible by 11. This is okay. Now what is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits. So what is the sum of the digits of this number? Sum of the digits of this number is 33. Sum of the digits of this number is 33. 33 is not divisible by 9. So this is not. Now 12. 12 divisibility. What is the divisibility rule of 12? If a number is divisible by 12, it must be divisible by both 3 and 4. Right? What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits. 42 is not divisible by 4. So definitely the number is not divisible by 12. So not divisible by 12, not divisible by 9, only 11. Option U. Only one. First option, sorry, second option. Simplify this one. So by using on-screen calculator, 0.7 cube is 0.343, 0.3 cube is 0.027 plus 0.63 divided by 0.7 square is 0.49 plus 0.09 plus 0.42. I am using the on-screen calculator. 1 divided by 1, that will give 1. Next question. The value of this one, 3 by 4. Apply the BODMAS rule properly. So 4 3s are 12, 15 by 4 into 36 by 7 into 9 by 7 is nothing but 7 by 9. किया गया था। सवाल ये है, एसोचेम was founded 36 by 7 into 7 by 9. 3 1 by 3 is nothing but 10 by 3. Be careful, my dear viewers, while doing this BODMAS rule questions. Be careful, even though it is easier. 7 by 4, 2 by 3 is nothing but 8 by 3 of in the sense into 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 4 under multiplication. So this is 2 2s, 2 3s, that's okay. This is 4 2s, that is also okay. This 3 gets a cancel. 7 7 gets a cancel. 7 2 2 gets a cancel. 5 left. So 5 left. 9 4s are 36, finished. 7 7 is finished. So 15 into 10 by 3. 15 into 10 by 3 divided by 5, which is nothing but 15 into 10 by 3 into 1 by 5. 5 3s are 15. Answer for this question is 10. Be careful, BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Ranjit present age is half of his brother Manjit, right? So Ranjit present age is half of his brother Manjit after 10 years. So from this 2r I am going to get m plus 10. Let us say this is equation 1. Now after 5 years, the ratio of Manjit and Ranjit. Viewers, there is a chance to do the mistake. Here starting is Ranjit, but a ratio, the starting is Manjit. Be careful. So the ratio of Manjit to Ranjit after 5 years. Manjit to Ranjit after 5 years is 7:5. So cross multiplication, 5m plus 25 is equal to 7r plus 35. So 5m minus 7r is equal to 10. So we need Manjit. So 5m minus 7 into, from the equation 1, r can be replaced as, sorry, 5 into m can be replaced as 2r minus 10. 2r minus 10 minus 7r is equal to 10. So from this 10r minus 50 minus 7r is equal to 10. Therefore r is equal to 20. I am getting r is equal to 20 is the present. We need 2 years ago. 2 years ago is 18. There is a chance to put 20. This is the r percentage. He is asking 2 years ago. 2 years ago is 18. Be careful while putting the answer. The cost of 18 pence, the cost of 18 pence, pence I am taking as x, plus 12 pencils, pencils I am taking as y, is equal to 351. That's okay. When the cost of the pen decreased by 2.5 and pencil increased by 1.5, then the cost of the 10 pens and 8 pencils, 10 pencils, x minus what, decreased by 2.5, that is 2.5 plus 8 pencils, 8 into y plus, so pencil is increased by 1.5. Now the cost is how much? 188. 188. So be careful what I am going to get. 10x plus 8y. 10x plus 8y is equal to 188 plus 13, which is nothing but a 201. 201. Let us say this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. If I solve these two, I am going to get the value of x and y. After solving equation 1 and 2, straight away I am giving x, I got 33 by 2 and y I got 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 9 by 2. What he is asking? 3 pencils, 5 pens, which is nothing but 3x plus 5y he is needed. So 3 into 33 by 2 plus 5 into 9 by 2. 99 by 2 plus 45 divided by 2, which is nothing but 144 divided by 2, 72. 144 divided by 2, 72. Next question. Find the difference between the arithmetic mean and median of the first 7 consecutive natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So arithmetic mean, right? These are in AP. Arithmetic mean is first term plus last term by 2, which is nothing but 4. Median, how many terms? 7 terms, which is nothing but odd. These are 7 terms, which is nothing but odd, and are in a ascending order. Median is nothing but the center value. Center value is how much? 4. He is asking the difference. 4 minus 4 is 0. Right. Syllogisms, logical deductions. All chords are quits. Minimum overlapped diagram drawing. All chords. This is entire chords. All chords are what? All chords are what? Quits. Quits. All pillow are quits. All pillow. Just I am giving only under this minimum overlap diagram. All pillow are quits. Next, all quits are sheets. All quits are sheets. Whatever, where, when necessary, that I am drawing. Right? This is the basic Venn diagram, which is nothing but minimum overlapped Venn diagram. Now, some cards are pillow, all sheets are cards, no pillow is card. See here, some cards are pillow, no card is pillow. So, conclusion 1 and conclusion 3, there is a chance of complementary. Some A or B, no A is B. Right? In both conclusion 1 and 3, the parameters are same. Right? There is a chance of what? Complementary. If the how to check the complementary, the negative conclusion? I'm checking 1 and 3 only, my dear viewers. I'm checking 1 and 3. In conclusion, 1 and 3 parameters are same, so there is a chance of complementary. Whether these are complementary or not, that is decided by this negative conclusion. No cot is pillow, basic Venn diagram. No cot is pillow. Yeah, this is absolutely true. There is no connection between cot and pillow. Now possible Venn diagram. Right, possible Venn diagram. I can draw this pillow over here also. I can draw this pillow over here also. In that case, some cot or pillow. So that is the reason why in possible Venn diagram, no cot is pillow is false. If no conclusion is true in basic, no conclusion is false in basic Venn diagram, then then these two are said to be complementary. This is the rule I told. So these 1 and 3 are complementary. So either 1 or 3 follows. Complementary means either 1 or 3. Either 1 or 3. I beautifully explained the syllogisms of all varieties of questions in my video course. That's it. That's the part 1 of my today's examination, my dear viewers. I will upload few more parts regarding this today's paper, right? So for the only one thing that I'm going to say, right? Slot to 1 TCS 2021 September 12th. All questions are there in my video course. All the questions are there in my video course. None of the all questions. That is the standard of my video course. That's the standard of my video course. That's it. If you want that video course, you can get it for this. For that, you just contact to this mail ID, yeah, or this number. It's up to you, right? So those who collected the video course, repeatedly listen. This all the questions which are asked in this TCS are available in my video course. That's it. Thank you one and all. I will upload another session as soon as possible, another part as soon as possible, as quickly as possible.